सेकंड का 2.14।
ठीक है, पहले का 2.28 है, पहले उससे स्टार्ट करते हैं, फिर आप सेकंड को सॉल्व करना। ओके, so 2.28 is the payback period for proposal A. Now let's first focus on proposal A only. So here for proposal A, we locate the discount rates. You're getting the lower discount rate as how much?
15.
16.
15.
16%, and therefore the higher discount rate is 16%. Now you calculate the NPV at 15%, and this value will be A that we put in the formula.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
Ma'am, value at 15% is 2.28, and 14 and 15%, 14 and 16% are equally distant from this. So lower किसको लेंगे और higher किसको लेंगे?
ठीक है, मैं एक बार टेबल ओपन कर लेती हूँ, कंफ्यूजन हो रही है तो आई विल जस्ट ओपन द टेबल। Okay, the life of machine is how many years? 3 years?
Yes.
Okay, and you were getting a value of 2.28. Okay, so there was some network issue. आपकी एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू पे बैक पीरियड कितना आ रहा है? 2.28 समथिंग इन डेसिमल और एग्जैक्ट 2.28?
मैम 2.2799 कुछ वैल्यू है।
2.2799 है ना?
यस मैम।
Okay, so then that is 2.2799 will be between 15% because 2.283 what I can see in my table is at 15%, and if we have to move to 2.279, then it will be at 16%. So this is coming between 15 and 16%. So let's move back to the that I'll check. Let's first decide on the discount rates and then let's see what the NPV is coming to. Because I've taken up this question because of the reason कि आपको इसमें change करने पड़ेंगे discount rates. So just to explain you that if you don't get a negative and a positive value, how do we go about with the question? Okay, now at 15%, please tell me, Pranath, you have solved. How much is the NPV coming to?
124.7. Sorry ma'am, ये 14% की है।
आपने 14% पे करा है?
Yes ma'am, 14 and 15 पे करा है मैंने।
ठीक है। 15 पे कितनी आ रही है वैल्यू आपकी?
-38.5.
-38.5. Okay. And B pay, if anyone can tell me how much is 16% coming to? So at 14, were you getting a positive value?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, you were getting a positive value. Because I think at 16, if 15 is giving a negative value, 16 will also be giving a negative value. So we will have to move to 14%. Can anyone give me the exact value at 16%? Should I solve?
Minus 1955.
Thank you. Minus 1095. So even you can see that
1955.
1955. Okay. So very clearly we can see in this solution that we are getting both the values as negative. And then again at a higher discount rate, as we already know, you're getting a more negative value, because as we move to higher discount rates, our NPV falls. Okay. So for solving the question on IRR, we know that we require one positive NPV and one negative NPV. We are getting both negative NPVs, which means we need one positive NPV. So what I do is I strike off 16% because it is giving me a very high negative value. I have a negative value at 15%. Now to get one positive value, I will go to a lower discount rate, because at lower discount rate you get a higher NPV, a positive NPV in our case, and at higher discount rates you get lower NPV. So if both discount rates are giving negative value, you will move to a lower discount rate. So which means now along with 15%, my next discount rate will be 14%. So now 15% becomes the higher discount rate and my lower discount rate becomes 14%. 15% is the higher discount rate. Pranath, you have calculated the NPV at 14%. How much is that coming to?
124.
So now you can solve the question. Value of B comes to, sorry, now this would be B. I rub this part. B is minus 38.5 and A is 124. Now you can put the values in the formula and you will get IRR. You're getting 14.763% as IRR for machine A. If both discount rates are giving you a negative value, you will have to move to a lower discount rate. On the other hand, if Now this is again rarest of rare chance that you will get a question like this, but from the logic point of view, you should always be clear. If both discount rates give you a positive value, are giving positive value, again you cannot find IRR because you need one negative value. So now what you will do, you will move to a higher discount rate to get one negative value so that you can complete the solution for IRR. Is this clear to everyone? If you want, I can repeat the explanation also. Any questions in this? Yes or no, class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so please solve for proposal B. See, are you getting IRR directly, or there's some trial and error? Okay, so Ayan, we are getting the value directly, no hit and trial.
मैम पहले 18-19 में मैम दोनों में नेगेटिव आया था, फिर 17-18 में मैम पॉजिटिव आ गई वैल्यू एलटीआर की.
Okay, so which means in machine B also you're facing the same issue. You're getting as solved by Ayan also. You're getting 18 and 19, and then ultimately you will search for one positive value. You will move to a lower discount rate, and finally your IRR at for proposal B is coming to 17.505%. So which clearly shows us that for both the cases, both the techniques, NPV and IRR, you find proposal B to be the better one, and hence the company should choose proposal B.